The only advantage of work from home was that now I could grow out my beard. But little did I know that beard ki maintenance is no joke. I did a little research and मुझे पता लगा, just like our hair, our beard needs some good quality products as well for it to be uniform and manageable.
The Thriveco Beard Care Kit has been a revelation for me. It's a no-fuzz 3-step beard care kit that has given my beard volume, uniformity, and manageability. The beard wash feels super luxurious. Plus, it's an easy rinse off formula. So, it takes me only a minute to thoroughly cleanse my beard. But my favorite has to be the Beard Growth Serum. This has transformed my beard by bringing uniformity in patchy areas, and it just takes a minute to apply it. Finally, I use the Beard Love Oil and Serum for styling and setting my beard.
And voila! Just like that, I am done. And my beard looks simply brilliant. Now, I have upped my beard grooming game. And it's your turn.